Episode 46. Let's go. Uh, all right. Yep. I am going to add sound effects to this game pretty much as fast as I can because as you can see, it's 11:58 and I would like to go to bed soon. So I'm going to add some sound effects and I am going to maybe add screen shake if I feel like it. I might just hold off until might just hold off until Monday. But let's just see. Let's just see where it goes. So, firstly, gotta get the sound effects in here. Which uh nice. We have it's still in my downloads folder, which is nice. So, fonts, music, not gonna use that music. Sounds is what we want. Oh, licensing credits. Nuts. Okay, we got sounds. We got um so I want one bloop sound. So that might work. Okay, so I'm just gonna take all of these and I'm gonna put them in my assets folder here. If I might mess this up if I what? The fu What the fudge? Why did that happen? All right, great. So I moved them all in. Let's just check them here. Yeah, if I like try to put this in a fonts folder, then that might mess some things up. So yeah, so I want one sound effect for when the ball goes out. Then I want one sound effect for when the ball bounces. So that's good enough for when I was gonna go on like freesounds.org. I think it's .org and look for sound effects, but these are good enough. You know, this is not a final game. If it was, I would put in more effort, but I just want to kind of create a completed project here first before I move on to the next learning project. I'm gonna just continue learning. I will probably read. I'll probably go through the documents as much as I can take after I finish this little Pong project here. So maybe I want Hurt to be the bounce one. Actually, maybe I can pitch shift. Can I pitch shift? So this one, can I pitch shift this up is a real question. How do I pitch shift this? Mix rate. Uh, there's an audio stream player. So yeah, I'm gonna have to add maybe multiple audio stream players to this, unless it can change. Unless I can change which audio it plays. Okay, can I do this? Thank you. Audio stream player. Hmm. Oh, here we go. Nice. So, yeah, okay, so I can change the pitch. That's nice. So I want to try this out here. And I want to make the pitch go up. I don't know what this sounds like. Oh. Hey, if I do this to like 5, does it change? No. It's only gonna actually play when it's only actually gonna play when I do it. Okay. When I yeah, it's only gonna play it with the pitch shifted when I actually play it in the script here. So I now have to add actually. You know what? Hmm. So I think this is getting a little cluttered. Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna have the bouncing sound on this, on the ball, and then I'm gonna have the other sound somewhere else. Okay, nice. So we got pong ball, we got um let's just do this here. And I'm just gonna call this bounce sound. And it doesn't really matter where it is, but I like doing that. So that's, yeah, I like having the timer first for some reason. It probably doesn't matter, but whatever. Okay. So when Yeah. So I have to, do this. Bus dot bus. What does that do? Don't need it. Alright, I guess I'll just do play. Hmm. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Um, then I can also, do it here as well. You know, I kind of want it to be first, so I'll do it here. And then here as well. Now let's try it out, baby. I gotta say, that is a pretty sharp, that is a pretty harsh sound. That's pretty harsh. Maybe I'm not gonna do that. No. You know what? I mean, it's like all right, okay? It's like okay, you know? But I'm thinking maybe jump at a different maybe jump at a different pitch would be better, you know? Jump at like 0.5 or something. Yeah. I mean, that's kind of better. I mean, do I want it to be lower though? Like, here's the thing. Yeah, that's good. That's good enough, honestly. Point 0.5. Point 0.5 is good enough. Okay, great. Now I just have to have a have one for this here. Uh, let's see. Yeah. Yeah, I could do, yeah, whatever calls score change, that's fine. Which is both of these? Both of them call score change? So I'll probably just put it in the winner one, except the winner one is already gonna have one. It's already gonna have one. You know, I'm just gonna give it two. I'm just gonna give it two. It doesn't matter. So winner is gonna have two audio stream players. And one of them is gonna be called um lose, sure. The other one's gonna be called Blink. Beautiful. Perfect. Okay, and then I'm just gonna do the explosion. Put the explosion in there. And then I'm in Blink, I'm just gonna do you know, this might actually be better. Yeah, in Blink, I'm just gonna do coin. That's fine. So, you know what? What does it sound like again? Yeah, I'm gonna try tap here. I mean, yeah, it's like, it's better, but I want like a bloop. You know, like a bloop sound effect. Uh, hmm. Maybe if I pitch this up, it'll sound more like a bloop sound effect. No. Like, here's the thing. Can I change? Oh. What? 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 Okay. If I do tap, this doesn't change anything. Okay. Nice. Uh, huh. What is this? What are these? Okay, I'm just gonna do what I did before. Whatever. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. I'm maybe gonna make this like 0.8 or something. I don't know. Okay, then I'm going to get both of these. Okay, then I will do blink dot play and lose dot play. Perfect. And that should work. I mean, that's a little loud, actually. Let me just have. Okay. Let me just have the game end here. I mean, that's that's pretty much it. That's it, bro. I mean, it just cuts off at the end, unfortunately. But besides that, it's like actually pretty decent. I think I can maybe add screen shake. Okay, pretty quickly. So what am I using? Coin, explosion, and uh, I'm only using three, right? Coin, explosion, um, jump. Coin, explosion, jump are the only three I'm using. Yep, okay. And you know what? Uh, yeah, that's fine. Are those really the only three I'm using? I guess so. So, oh, I'm literally going to, okay. I'm literally gonna add on score change anyway. Okay, so winner, I will just have the blink one here. Yep, so I don't even need this. And I can actually just put this up here. Nice, and I will also add a timer to this. And I will also Copy this. And paste it. And copy. And copy this. And paste it. Then first thing I can do is get this. And then do lose.play. Now I'm gonna have to do some crazy stuff here. Yeah. I can do this fairly quickly, I think, maybe. Probably. This is gonna be really short, like maybe 0.2, I guess. Alright, sorry, my dad. Let's just check this for now. You know, if I just change this to do here, if I just change this to only this one. Oh, I would have to do this as well. Let's see what happens. Yep. I mean, that's pretty good. Or do I want it to not do that? You know, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Then I'm gonna grab this here. Yeah, then I can actually, hello? I can actually connect this because I am going to need that. I'm thinking I'm gonna do it 5 times. So I have to timer dot start pretty much that like that's it. That's all I have to do in this one, I think. And then now I have to do all the crazy stuff in here. So maybe I don't actually need to do a random amount. Oh, I guess maybe not. Wait, maybe I literally don't. Okay. Wait, this is kind of nuts. Oh, I don't even wait. Huh, okay. Actually, hmm. So, I'm thinking for every timer, like I want a loop in this timer. Okay? Like I want it to do one thing, and the next timer I want it to do something else. Pretty much. Hmm. Let me test something out. Okay. What? Why did that do that? Hmm. So I'm gonna have to create a variable here called timer count. Then I'm gonna have to do if timer count is equal to 0, then do that, then like do a bunch of things, pretty much. Or I could make an array. You know what? I am gonna make an array. Yeah, I am gonna make an array. Okay. Camera shake position. And then I'm gonna do an array with vector 2i's. Then I'm gonna set it equal to yeah, sure. So this is gonna be preset every single time. Do I want it to go left first, though? I'll just try some stuff. Okay, you know what, I'll just try some stuff out. Am I even doing this correctly? Okay, yeah, am I even doing this correctly? How do I do this again? I'm gonna look it up.
We were trying to get government grants for prototype funding for a project we wanted to work on. It was called Ashes of Lara. It was a...
Okay, yeah, nice. Let's go back to Brackies here.
Function. And disconnecting is just as easy. Disconnect. We can also pass parameters about later. Arrays. Sometimes you want a variable that can hold more than one thing. In fact, sometimes you might want to store a whole list of elements. For this, we use arrays. Defining an array is very easy. Let's make one to hold items in an inventory. So we'll create a normal variable and set it equal to open and close square brackets. This creates an empty array. We can then add elements inside the square brackets. I'll add a potion string, the number
Got it. Okay.
3, and the number 6. Notice how, unlike many other languages, GDScript has no problem mixing data types within an array. But if you want to constrain an array to a specific type, we can of course statically type it. So here we simply add the type. This is an array, and the elements inside it are going to be strings. So that's the syntax for that. And now...
Nice, thank you. Okay. Great. So we got this, and then we got forward slash. What the you know what? I'll just do it up here. Like, this is where I wanted the, yeah. Hmm. This is where I wanted the randomness to come in. Here. You know what? I will do the random one. But actually, I don't need an array for this then. Yeah, I don't need an array for this. Alright, I can just do yeah. I can just I can just make a variable here. No, I still have to declare it up here. Nice. I'll just do this and make it a vector to I. Then I can why not nestle it in the middle here? Camera shake equals vector to I ran. Oh, never mind. Nah, I'm gonna have to do it. Um, what would it be? -5. Sorry, -6 to 5. Then I would actually have to do this in here so it gets a random number every single time. Then I could do position equals camera shake. And then I could do while? No, I want it to be done one time. Maybe this needs to be like 0.1 actually. Actually, Yeah, and then we do if of. We do if timer count is less than 5. Timer dot start and timer count +1 here. And then I need to do an else here. Oh, actually, I need to put all of this in here. Position. Yeah, I'm just gonna reset this to 0, 0. Oh, I can just do 0. Did I do that for anything else? Yeah, I can just do 0, I think. Yep, yep, I can. I knew I did it somewhere else. I believe this is down. Yep. Yep. Nice. Okay, we got one match. We got there, baby. Nice. Then we got this one. Yep. All right. Let's see how bad. Let's see how bad it is. And also, I need to do this. Okay, that was too much. That's that's far too much. That is too much. That's... Yep, that's too much. That was too much. Okay, actually. Is that good enough? Is that good? Is that good enough, really? Okay, now let me actually play like a full game. Did I actually do this? Like, is it this easy? Really? And honestly, I could make this a float now that I'm thinking about it. Yeah, it would be maybe less janky if it was a float. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's fine. Actually, did I say this? Yes. Sure. Maybe I actually want it to be 6 instead? Let me think. Do I want it to be less time than this? Like, should I actually make this process? Oh my bruh, it's almost been an hour. Here's the thing. I need it to activate. Hmm. Process, process, process. Process. Hmm. Yeah, maybe I don't even need the timer. I maybe don't even need the timer. So it's gonna be, so I could just copy this. Yeah, I can just delete this, I guess. Then on the outside, I can just do this, right? Does that seriously happen? What? Is there a reason it needed to give me 3 errors, bro? In the world? Hmm. Yeah, I think I do need the timer. I think I do need the timer. Is that how it was before? Now it is messing up. Oh, I see. It's janky. It's janky, but it works. Lower than 0.05. So let's just try that. Let's see how good that looks. That's actually perfect. Here's the thing. What's better, 5 or 6? Yeah, it looks like it shakes at the same time that the sounds go off, which is pretty good. Yeah, that's perfect. I mean, I can't do anything better than that. Okay, and then I actually want to change the background color. Is there a background color? Oh, this is it, I think. Maybe? No. No. Does that do anything? No. Why is it pink now, though? Was it always pink? Maybe. Actually, maybe it was always pink. What? If I make a new camera here? What color is it? What? What is happening? It was always pink. Got it. What does self-modulate mean? Oh, understood. Understood. Uh, top level. What? What did that do? Oh. I have a feeling I'll probably just have to add a color rect. Yeah. What the fudge did I mess up? Why is it thick? Why is it thick now? What in the world? The fudge? Oh, this is still here. Okay. That's fine. Huh. Yeah, I'm looking through my watch history to see if I've watched any uh game development videos that I haven't put on my playlist. And it looks like the answer is no. Yeah. Has been over an hour since I started recording. Hey, time flies when you're having fun. Okay, nice. Now it's back to normal. Okay. But I can't change the background color? Really? Light mask. Light 2D notes. Zoom process. Oh, I don't know. How to change the background color of my... I'll just do in Godot. Oh, project settings. Okay, I guess that makes a little bit of sense. Project settings. Display. GUI. Rendering. I want this to be black. Poggy. Poggy Waters. Let's see, does that look good? Oh, yes. Oh, baby. Wow. I like how I'm not even playing the game. Okay, actually, let's look at it in all its glory. Here. Let's make it full screen. And also, it's still not pixel perfect. Whatever. No. Not right. Not right. I will get you one day right. Nice, nice. That was a nice save there. I feel like wait, maybe I could add a pause menu. And then sound settings. No! Bro, I'm playing against myself. Why am I like I'm the winner. I literally it's impossible for me to be the loser. Not right. F right, bro. I hate right. No, I hate left. No, I hate right. Like, I'm thinking if I send this to my friends, their eardrums are gonna get blasted. Um, so I'm thinking I should make a pause menu with volume controls. Or yeah. I should make a pause menu with volume controls, or put a warning in the beginning of the game that, like, basically a press space to start, right? Bro. Match point, baby. Rage quit. Alright, let me think. Do I want to do a press space to start thing? And do I want to add a pause menu? Like, here's the thing. These sounds are loud right now, even for me. You know? Like, they're ever so slightly loud for me. So, I'm just gonna do that. Let's see how... Okay. Oh, that's pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty good. Maybe even a little more, actually. Maybe down to like 6. Can I do this precisely? Hello? Can I do this precisely? I guess not. I'll just do 8. That's fine. Yeah, that's even better, actually. Why was it so loud? Why were the sound effects so loud? Huh. Interesting. Whatever. Alright, yep. Well, this is it. This is the game. Should I learn? Should I learn how to make a pause menu? Really? Like, should I learn how to make a pause menu in this game? Or should I learn how to make a pause menu in a future game? I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out on Monday. All right, that's it for this episode. Thank you so much for joining me. That should have been episode 46. And you will all see me on Tuesday.